Hello everyone, welcome to T-Fish TCG. Today, it's tin time, Tin Mania. We have 3 tins we are opening that just got released last week, I believe. We have Crown Zenith, the Moltres tin, Zapdos, and Articuno. So 3 big birds. I will open those in a sec. As you can see, I have my Evolution shirt on, repping the Evolutions. So, I'm gonna take a stab and say we pull a Galarian Gallery Leafeon or Glaceon. That would be nice. Obviously, we're still searching for the Mewtwo and Giratina, Palkia, and Arceus, the gold cards. Still don't have those, but the other ones will be fine too. We will see how we do. We've been treated pretty well with Crown Zenith so far, so as you've seen in previous Pikachu videos, I'm quite high on the Pikachu product. More of those coming. So, let me crack all these open. I'll show you what's inside. Okay, here's what we got inside. We have the code card for each of the boxes. So take it while you can. And then we have Galarian Articuno. And I gotta say, I'm a little upset that these have the yellow borders instead of like the black. I mean, I guess it's not a V card, so that makes sense, but I would like it to be silver, which it will be in the new upcoming set from here on out. And but this is really cool art on the Articuno. The Zapdos, you can see, is chasing a Dodrio, I believe. I think I see a third head over there. And then Galarian Moltres, just doing its thing. Very cool looking, very cool. I feel like those are just maybe $1 or $2, if that. They're just promos, but I wanted them just to have them, so. And then, of course, we have 5 packs in each. This is from Zapdos, Articuno, Moltres. Who do we think is going to do the best? I'm going Articuno, so this middle stack I think will be the best for us today.
You chose.
But we'll see. I hope they're all really good. So let's get it rolling. First pack for Zapdos. What you gonna get us? Galarian Gals. That's what we want. I'm hoping for 3. Well, that seems major. Let's go with 2 at minimum. 2 Galarian Galleries. So do the card trick here, and here we go. Got the dark. Seal, Rockruff, Aaron, Riolu, Starly. Got a reverse holo Blossom. Okay, and then into nothing. So we start out cold. But I'm gonna go up from here, from that pack. Am I right? Alright. 4. Alright, the Leaf, Lost Vacuum, Lairon, Friends and Sinew, Seal, Ocean, Corphish, Aaron, Energy Search. Yep, there it is, guys. We got our first Galarian Gallery. It's a V-Star Mewtwo. Deoxys V-Star. I don't actually have this yet, so that's great. We'll take a Deoxys. So we already hit Galarian Gallery in the second pack. First, let's see if there's anything behind it. Okay, it's double V-Star time. Double V-Star. For old time's sake, I'm gonna say Simisear. Oh, Leafeon! Hey, wore the shirt. Wanted the Galarian Gal of Leafeon, but still, Leafeon V-Star, that's real nice. I don't have the Leafeon V-Star yet, so this is double whammy pack. Beautiful V-Stars. Great job, Zapdos. Alright, third pack. I just want to say Crown Zenith has just been bananas for me. I feel like there's pretty high pull rate in this set, and I'm just on the high end of it. Having a good time. And I don't know. I did not do good in the ETBs, as I have stated in previous videos, but pretty much any other Crown Zenith product I've done well in, so let's keep that going. I don't know if we can get another Galarian Gallery, you know, since we just pulled one, but we could. I mean, the big Galarian Galleries. We got a Galarian Gallery. Whoa, that's sick. Diancie? I don't actually know this Pokemon, but that is awesome looking art for Pokemon. I don't know. Princess's Curtain. All right. Interesting. But that's a hit. We got something else. We got a V. Oh, Glaceon V. It's got the blue on the bottom.
Correct.
Oh! Yo, it's the shirt. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's great. So, Glaceon, Leafeon, we got you both already. Now we just need your Galarian Galleries. But, I think I just, like, wear this shirt, and I need to get a bunch of Evolving Skies packs so I can get all those alt arts. It's not gonna happen. All right. We're doing real well. 4 hits and 3 packs. First pack was a dud. Second was amazing. Third was pretty good. Okay. Fighting. Shaman. Friends in his suite. Carnivine. Galarian Meowth. Wailmer. Shinx. Larvesta. Oddish. Volcarona. Into nothing. Well, that's more like it. Last pack from Zapdos. Zapdos, you've been a real hoss for us. So, can you end with a bang? I believe in you. Alright, we got the Fire, Ultra Ball, Crushing Hammer, Luxio, Switch, Snorunt, Larvesta, Tangela, Baltoy, negative Ultra Ball. Nope. Lycanroc. Okay, that's fine. We are on to Articuno. 4 hits in that Zapdos and the Galarian Gallery alt art, which it's gonna be tough to beat unless we get a Galarian Gallery and something better than Deoxys, which we'll see. All right, fighting. Gloom, Great Ball, Trekking Shoes, Seal, Potion, Aeron, Corphish, Energy Search. Now we start off terrible, huh? Yep, starting off terrible, just like last time. Articuno, I said, was going to be the best. Now, if we can replicate what we just did in the second pack in Zapdos, we will be just fine here. Pull that Galarian Gallery, Leafeon, Glaceon. One of them, huh? Are we feeling it? We are. Absolutely not. Oh, I do not like this art. Claymation looking. It's freaky. It's freaky. Okay, bust. All right, Articuno's giving us 0. Not good pick on my part. Yet. It can all change with this. The dark. All right. Okay, come on. Oh, I don't think so. Volcanion. Okay. A V. Zacian. Okay, well, a hit technically, not what we're looking for. 2 left for Articuno. Give me a GG. Give me that GG. Alright. Rolling on through. Not thinking it's in this one, guys. Definitely not. Okay, Galarian Gallery again. Soul Rock. I don't think I have a Soul Rock yet. So we'll take that. Something in the back? No. Well, a hollow. Last pack for you, Articuno. It's going to be pretty sad if we end up with just Zacian and Soul Rock. That's going to be like $2. So, the last pack, we know we can get something. I think something's in here. But it's just me being hopeful. Okay. Come on. We got the lightning, electric. Same thing. Alright. That one. That was wrong. That was... Oh, okay. Maybe that's where I was seeing the shine into a Radiant Eternatus. Radiants are always nice, I guess. It's something. And... Nope. Oh, man. Tangrowth. Tangrowth. Sorry. Well, I think I jinxed Articuno by picking that box. Because that was not great. 3 hits, and pretty poor hits at that. So, we got Moltres now. A big firebird. Show us what you got. Alright. Got Fighting, Luxio, Daindio, Shaman, Koffing, Salandit, Energy Search, Grubbin, Nope, and Nope, Sizer. Next. Come on, we want to end with something big here. Give us a gold. Give us that gold we always wanted. Alright. Thinking Great Ball, Bisharp, Graveler, Love Disc, Chatot, Yanma, Pawniard, Kricketot. That was correct on the Na. Into the Na. Oh, God. Oh, 3. Heading over 3. 0 hits so far. Come on. Alright. I don't know. Hammer, Sunkern, Mr. Mime, Shinx, Kricketot. Jeez, Moltres, what are you doing to us? Zero for 3. Gotta be at least one hit. I'm guessing we might get that nice V of Sinister. See it coming. I'm seeing it coming. Ooh, got a little ding on the back, but that is an uncommon. All right, come on. Chatot, Kricketot, Ponyard. That is reverse hollow. You can't even see it. Oh, God. Okay, so last pack. Moltres, what's up, yo? What are you doing to me? I gotta go with Zapdos all the time now. We started off hot and we just went straight in the dumpster. We have one shot to revive this tin. I believe. All right. What do we think? Come on. You gotta get at least one thing. It's gotta be in this slot. It's not. Are you kidding?
This is the worst.
All right, to recap, that was kind of devastating at the end there. Kind of wish I started with the Moltres one. So what we got is Galarian Moltres, Galarian Zapdos, Galarian Articuno promos. Nothing from Moltres, that tin, so pretty worthless. And then Articuno tin, we got Radiant Eternatus, a Galarian Gallery Soul Rock, Zacian. Oh yeah, it was just 3. Okay, and then the Zapdos, it's kind of I was gonna say crazy and weird, wazy, careered. It's crazy because, well, first we got this, which I had not seen before, and it looks great. But, as I said in the beginning, we wanted a Glaceon and a Leafeon, and we got them in the same tin. So that's nice, just not the Galarian Galleries, but, you know. And then at least we got one Galarian Gallery. Not one of the higher ones, but Deoxys. It's still a cool looking card, and I don't have it yet, so that's also good. So, I don't know if I will get these tins again. They were 25 per. I just been having way better luck with the Pikachu special collections, which are 30. You get the same amount of packs, 5 packs. Plus so many Pikachus. But I might try it again, but probably not. Probably just keep rolling with those Pikachus until Scarlet and Violet, which is coming soon to me. I have it pre-ordered, so watch out for that video. I'm excited to open those. But yeah, we will see you on the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.